Top 5 Best Deep Fryer in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. VEVOR Electric Deep Fryer with Dual Removable Tanks. Explore different foods. By utilizing two separate 11.6 cuton oil tanks, this commercial electric deep fryer enables you to fry different types of food individually and maintain the unique flavors of each. It also features two spacious removable baskets with a 4 cuton capacity, allowing you to quickly drain and remove food from the fryer. It works well for dailies, concession stands, snack bars, and parties. Hot food in no time. Aren't you tired of slow heat-ups? This commercial electric fryer is equipped with a 1500-watt heating element in each tank, allowing it to heat oil to your desired temperature in a short time. It's about to get hot. You can easily cook your food quickly and thoroughly. Note: it is recommended to use separate socket plates for each of the two plugs to minimize the risk of unexpected loss of power. Please plug into a wall socket rather than a wiring plate type socket. Set the temp and time. Thanks to the independent thermostatic control on each tank, you can easily adjust the temperature from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 to 200 degrees Celsius. No matter what, you will be ready to bring on the heat. It also includes a thermal shutdown mechanism, allowing you to cut off the power if the oil reaches a temperature of 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. In addition, the commercial deep fryer is designed with timers, so you won't miss a thing. You can set the time from 0 to 60 minutes according to what you are cooking. Detach and clean with ease. Luckily, its heating tube can be easily flipped up, which facilitates an easier cleaning after every use. And guess what? The stainless steel exterior makes it easy to wipe down. Also, each tank comes with a front-mounted drain valve for effortless oil release. Number 5. VEVOR Commercial Electric Deep Fryer with Dual Tanks, 12-liter 3000 watts drain valve design and flip-up heating tube and with timer. Optional. Are you ready to create mouth-watering meals? Well, the answer is right in front of you. This VEVOR Commercial Deep Fryer is designed to maximize efficiency, making it an ideal piece of equipment for your small business. It's the perfect choice for snack bars, concession stands, and much more. The dual tank and independent thermostatic control designs allow you to cook two different foods at the same time at different temperatures. It's about time you turned up the heat. Get it today and cook mind-blowing French fries, shrimp rolls, mozzarella sticks, and fried chicken. Explore different foods. Hot food in no time. Set the temp and time. Detach and clean with ease.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.